here. We just did a Veracity video yesterday. This thing is just starting to move now. It's up 3.6%. We had a wick up here. Let's see here from the bottom. Was up almost 7.5% here. Okay, it's just starting to go. I just had an alarm go off here. Okay, so this thing is definitely starting to move. It's breaking resistance here, and you can see that first resistance area is going to be right there. Okay, right where we got right where it hit first here. We got all the RSI setting up. This thing is looking good. The whole market seems to be starting to move here. You can see the crypto bubbles here. Comp up 16, Solana, Cospa got a bunch turning green here. It's got, yeah. After they expected a lot more volatility at the FOMC meeting. There goes another alarm here, Cospa. So yeah, a lot of stuff starting to take off. And if you look over here at Bitcoin real quick, then we're gonna dig into this chart a little bit. But please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I would appreciate that. And if you're doing any longing and shorting, there's a link for Mexi in the description of the video. Would very much appreciate it if you use it. I'm just a little channel, so every bit of help I can get is great. But you can see this trend line Bitcoin has been following for a very long time. All right, you can see this green candle on the daily starting. This thing is not. It looks like it's not going to pull back to the area that I was shooting for here. It's showing a lot of strength actually. You know, if you put a fib on this thing real quick, didn't give much of a pullback at all. All right between the 50% and the 618 is where it ended up. You can look right here. There's the 50%. There's the 618 right in the middle. So didn't even get a 618 pullback. So that's good to see. Bitcoin is showing strength. Got the daily RSI just heading up and bullish. It's at a 9 and an 8. Got the 12-hour just heading straight up, 35 and a 16. Looks fantastic. Almost showing a higher high down here on the regular RSI. Got the 8-hour just about halfway up here, 52 and a 35. So Bitcoin's looking good. Of course, the weekly and the monthly are both bullish. Got both of them heading up, and Bitcoin looks ready to go here. All right, so that's obviously going to send everything else going. Let's dig in here to Veracity. Zoom in here a little bit. Apologize when you flip back and forth here. You got to get your charts rearranged here, okay? But that first resistance is going to be at 0.0045. All right, that's the one right here. That's that first one. That second one's going to be at 0.00467. And who knows, we might blow right through this. This thing has been ready to take off for a long time. All right, you can see this wedge. We're just starting this breakout, okay? If we get what we're supposed to get out of it, you know, take the measurement of this thing, you know, move it over here to the breakout. You know, that's what we should be looking at. That's the measured move, which would be, let's see here, roughly 140% move, 120, 140%. That's a pretty good move, especially if there's a link for Mexi in the description of the video. I don't give financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but I mentioned yesterday I jumped in, took a long on this thing. If you go over to Mexi, all you need is a email and a password to sign up. Stop loss there, and there you go. So of course, it could roll over and go to nothing. All right, that's your own risk. I don't give advice like that. I'm just showing you what I did. I took a long on this thing, put a stop loss down here, and sure looks like a bottom to me here. All right, if you put a resistance sign on this thing, yeah, looks like, let's go on a 4-hour so I can line it up perfectly here. Would be right through there. Yeah, we definitely, it broke out of resistance. You have a, touch up, touch, fake out, touch, and a breakout. So yeah, Veracity's definitely getting ready to go. All right, guys, thank you very much. Have a great night, and hopefully when I'm talking to you next, we're up 20 or 30 more percent. Have a great night, everybody.